How to use the Project Research Guide document, a tool to help with research and to work with SKYCTC librarians and tutors. Part 1 guides you through project details and choosing a topic. You can type into the document or print and handwrite the information. Write the number of pages or minutes required by the professor. Add your due date so you can plan ahead. Explore the list of databases and websites that have ideas for topics. Make a list of topics from these and from your own interest and knowledge. Now that you have a topic, think about what you already know and what you need to find out about the topic. Explore databases and websites that help you find more information about the topic. Change or adjust the topic if it does not fit the project. Get help if you have trouble with finding a topic that fits. Part 2 guides you through topic keywords, thesis, sources, and style. Write down what you want to say about the topic. Write down topic keywords or phrases related to the topic to use for database searching. Find out how many and what sources you need. Choose databases and websites that have information about the topic. Decide what information area libraries might have. Choose the style required for the project. Now that you have keywords and a list of databases, practice searching using your keywords and phrases in a library database. Practice using your keywords and phrases in a web search. Part 3 guides you through evaluating sources, using citations, and connecting sources to the thesis. Evaluate sources you find in library databases and on the web. Practice pasting or writing out citations for database and web sources. Explain how the sources connect to the topic or thesis. Now that you have some sources from library databases and the web, read your sources, focus on introductions, specific chapters, and discussion sections. Highlight information that you want to use in your project. Part 4 guides you through creating direct and indirect quotes. Practice writing a direct quote, exact words and quotation marks, for each source in the correct style. Practice writing an indirect quote, paraphrase or summary, for each source in the correct style. Now that you have read your sources and created quotes for information you want to use in your project, you may need to find more sources or find different sources. You may need to adjust your search strategies by using different keywords. You may need to seek help with these steps. For help with this guide, call 270-901-1171 during business hours or use the Ask a Librarian link at southcentral.libguides.com.